that's YC. So here's divide and multiply. Conversion methods. Fun day. Years into days. Years into days. Multiply by 365. Okay, the method is years into days. Here's the method is 365 multiply by 365. Years into days multiply by 365. Okay, so months into days multiply by 30. Months into days multiply by 30. So years into months months into years, not years into months. There the confusion in between months into years or days into years, hours into minutes into hours, minutes. Here are the weekends and the holidays. There will be the confusion. Years to in first test there is divide and multiply thing. Okay, so here's years into months multiply by 12. Years into weeks multiply by 52. Years into weeks. Hours into minutes multiply by 60. Not minutes into hours, or there will be minutes into hours, there will be divide by 60. Okay, not minutes into hours. There will be one thing, multiply is confusion only. There will be the minutes into hours, there will be divide, and the hours into minutes there will be multiply. Okay, by 60. Hours into minutes multiply by 60. Hours into minutes, minutes into seconds multiply by 60. Minutes into seconds. Okay, here hours were on, yes, minutes into seconds multiply by 60. Okay, here you understand this confusion. So here's you started the divides confusion. Okay, so here's day into months divide by 30. Day into months, there will be there's confusion. Day into months into days, there will be months into days, there will be multiplied by days into months multiply by 30. Months into days multiply by 30, and the days into months divide by 30. Okay, months into years will be divided by 12. Weeks into years will be divided by 52. Okay, here we will be understand there the confusion is that one thing I told you. Here will be the confusion, so understand the confusion and keep that minded. Hours into days divide by 24. Okay, minutes into hours divide किसके साथ करना है? What will be divide by 60. Seconds into minutes divide by 60. Okay, that's the video, and you see, bye bye. So thanks.